Hi, in this session, we are going to talk about Oracle Fixed Assets Cloud Setup. It consists of mainly these 16 steps. First 10 steps that I'm highlighting here are the essential ones. And then these these six, the following four, the ones from step 13 till 16 are related to subledger accounting if you want to do customized accounting. If you want to do some specialized depreciation method of your own, you can define it using this form. If you want to define a new way of how depreciation should be done, whether in the first month asset should be depreciated or not, that sort of thing, you do that through prorate convention. So I'm going to go through these setup steps one by one, and let's go to the system now. So the navigation for doing these setups is setup and maintenance. Then you pick up financials as the offering. And then here you write the command, manage fixed assets, Key Flexfield. And I'm going to show you the three key flex fields that fixed assets requires. This is a compulsory step. Fixed assets requires three key flex fields, namely asset key flex field, category flex field, and location flex field. The name flex field comes from the fact that when doing a fixed asset setup, the fixed assets module allows users flexibility to define a certain standard or structure or combination of fields in which user can store data. These structures are called E-flex fields. So it gives you some flexibility. You can define a 3-segment flex field, a 2-segment flex field, and I'll now show you what I mean by 3-segment or 4-segment flex field. So let's look at the location flex field first. Go into the manage structures. This is the name of the location flex field, asset location flex field. You can see that it has 4 segments. So country, state, city, building. If our company is in USA as well as in Canada, then country can have 2 possible members in it, US and Canada. State or county will have all the states that are there in Canada, in US, as well as the provinces that are in Canada. You can put them all here, city and building. So you can have a 4-segment detail of each asset. If you have a company that is just based in US, then maybe you don't need the first segment. You can just do with 3 segments. That's the idea of flex fields, key flex fields. So similarly, that I just showed you how location flex field is defined. Now let's go to asset key flex field. This is a diary sort of flex field. It's a bit different from location flex field, and I'll show you how it is defined. You can have a width of maximum of 20 characters. It's just got one segment, so this is the segment name. And this is the value set, FA asset key, in which you store all the members' information. So you can bunch together assets based on asset key. This is a non-financial type of data is stored in it. As I proceed in this discussion, I'm going to give you some examples of how location and asset key and category flex fields are to be used. So category flex field is in this instance is defined in is of 2 segments, major category, minor category. I'll just quickly show you the segment number 1. Segment number 2 is very similar to this one. So maximum the member width can be 20 characters. The values are attached to it is FA major category. And when you say category, the major category examples could be EDP, equipment, vehicle, building, furniture, and then minor category for EDP would be laptop, server, router, and PC. And under vehicle major category, you can have trucks, vehicles, heavy duty vehicles. So like that, you can have different category and subcategory combinations. That takes care of the Key Flexfield topic.